sky, but island is for the birds.
There, Captain. Let's get back to relaxing and forget all about today's painful, messy treasure hunt.
Right you are, Mr. Smee. Now, could you please adjust this chair a bit lower for me?
Why, certainly, sir. Oh, dear.
Hey mate, come sail the Never Sea with Jake and me and the Neverland Pirate Band. When you got a crew full of pirates true, so much better